In this video, I am going to tell you how a very small change in your verb tense can make a huge effect on how persuasive your testimonials are. So we all know that we need testimonials in order to provide that social proof that your potential clients need in order to like, know, and trust you. Testimonials are very, very important. I talk a lot about how in testimonials you need to ask the right questions in the right way, and how to actually place your testimonials on your pages as a story rather than just placing them as a testimonial. And it can have a huge, huge impact on conversions. But what we haven't really talked about before is how you can ask your clients to leave testimonials which make certain word choices to make them more persuasive. So the study found that using the present tense is much more persuasive than using the past tense when it comes to testimonials. So, for example, I loved how Elle used psychology to write persuasive copy, past tense. I love how Elle uses psychology to write persuasive copy, present tense. The study found that the present tense will be more persuasive every time because it seems like the person is more credible, that they trust that this situation is still happening rather than what it used to be. This is how it used to be versus this is how it is today. And if your reader believes this is how it is today, it becomes more persuasive. So when you are asking your clients to leave testimonials, please ask them to write in the present tense rather than the past tense to make it more persuasive, or you can maybe make that change for them and ask if they're happy to do that afterwards. But it's such a subtle, small thing, but has a huge, huge impact. So this study studied over 500,000 reviews and found that this tense change can make a huge, huge difference to your copy.